Hello, I'm Jordan Yoreth from Monroe, and today I'm on the highly sought after Wigton Lane. Accessed via electric gates and occupying around 1/4 of an acre, this is a fantastic 4-bedroom detached property. Welcome to 147A Wigton Lane. This fantastic home offers around 2,200 square feet and is the perfect place to entertain from, with a wonderful open plan layout featuring this living cum dining room, access through to a breakfast kitchen, snug, and 2 sets of patio doors out onto that huge back garden. Upstairs, this property features 4 double bedrooms, 3 of which come with fitted wardrobes. There's a fantastic modern, fully tiled house bathroom, and the principal bedroom comes with this equally superb ensuite. This property enjoys a massive back garden and is ripe for extensions. It's the perfect home for a growing family and all of their guests to enjoy all year round.